The 2024 Mazda CX-50 exudes a bold and rugged elegance designed to appeal to those with an adventurous spirit. Its wide stance and muscular proportions are complemented by sleek, sculpted lines that give the vehicle a dynamic presence on the road. The front grille, flanked by sharp LED headlights, adds to its commanding look, while the available blacked-out accents and roof rails enhance its rugged appeal. The CX-50's design not only stands out in urban settings, but also hints at its capability to handle off-road adventures. Under the hood, the 2024 Mazda CX-50 is powered by a responsive 2.5-liter Skyactiv G engine, delivering a balanced blend of power and efficiency. The vehicle offers smooth acceleration and confident handling, thanks to Mazda's advanced iActive all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent traction across various terrains. The CX-50 is engineered for both everyday driving and outdoor excursions, with a well-tuned suspension that ensures a comfortable ride, whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rougher roads. The back seats of the 2024 Mazda CX-50 are designed with passenger comfort and versatility in mind. With ample legroom and supportive seating, rear passengers can enjoy long journeys comfortably. The 60/40 split folding rear seats allow for easy expansion of the cargo area, providing flexibility for carrying more oversized items when needed. The rear cabin space is thoughtfully designed to accommodate both passengers and cargo, making the CX-50 a practical choice for families and adventurers alike. Inside, the 2024 Mazda CX-50 features a refined and driver-centric cabin that emphasizes comfort and quality. The interior is crafted with high-quality materials, including soft touch surfaces and available leather-trimmed seats, creating an upscale atmosphere. The layout is intuitive, with controls within easy reach, and the seating offers excellent support for both short trips and long drives. The spacious interior provides plenty of room for all occupants, while the available panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin. The 2024 Mazda CX-50 comes equipped with a suite of advanced technology features designed to enhance connectivity and entertainment. The centerpiece is the large infotainment display, which includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration for seamless smartphone connectivity. The intuitive Mazda Connect interface ensures easy access to navigation, music, and other features. The available premium audio system delivers crisp, clear sound throughout the cabin, while additional tech features like the wireless charging pad keep your devices powered on the go. Mazda prioritizes safety in the CX-50, equipping it with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard safety systems include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. The vehicle also offers blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, enhancing awareness in tricky driving situations. These features work together to provide peace of mind on every journey, whether you're navigating crowded city streets or cruising on the highway. Convenience is a key focus in the 2024 Mazda CX-50, with features designed to simplify your daily routine. Keyless entry and push-button start make accessing and starting the vehicle effortless. The hands-free power liftgate is particularly useful when loading or unloading cargo, especially when your hands are full. The spacious cargo area, along with numerous interior storage compartments, ensures you have room for all your essentials. Multi-zone climate control allows all passengers to enjoy their preferred temperature settings, making every ride more comfortable. The 2024 Mazda CX-50 is a versatile and well-rounded SUV that offers a perfect blend of style, performance, and practicality. Its rugged exterior design, coupled with a refined and spacious interior, makes it an attractive choice for those who enjoy both urban driving and outdoor adventures. With advanced technology, a comprehensive suite of safety features, and thoughtful convenience touches, the CX-50 is well equipped to meet the needs of modern drivers. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring new trails, The Mazda CX-50 delivers an engaging and confident driving experience. Presented by Berge Mazda. You can view our selection at bergemazda.com or give us a call at 480-498-5614.